Chef Aiden back at it again in Handsome Jack's kitchen, and in this video we're bringing you a dish called Chicken Parmesan. Let's go. As you can see, I already have my chicken cutlets washed and cleaned. Lemon, water, vinegar, that's the trio. We keep it clean over here, folks. We're going to lightly season our chicken cutlets on both sides. Off the top of the head, I can tell you that I used Lawry seasoned salt, black pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, ground thyme. I also marinated these chicken breasts in Mojo Marinade. You can find that at your local grocery store. If you have the time to marinate these cutlets overnight, you can do so. It'll just taste that much better when you do prepare them, or if you just have an hour before you make it, that's fine. Either way, if you season them properly, you can use whatever seasonings you like. If I left out a seasoning that I used, you can look below in the description box. It'll be there. Alright, these cutlets are seasoned. I'm going to set them up to put them in some flour. What you want to do in this one, you want to go from your seasoned pan into your flour. If you have a couple of pieces, you want to set them to the side. Repeat the process as you go. So in this one, I'm going from the seasoned pan into the flour. I shake off the excess flour, set it to the side, and repeat. In total, the process will go from the seasoned pan into the flour, into the egg wash, and then to the breadcrumbs. That is the process. So boom, we got enough coated. We're going to move on into the egg wash. I probably have about 3 to 4 eggs in that bowl. I would say 3. We're going from the egg wash straight into the breadcrumbs, and we're going to coat our cutlet evenly. This is what's going to give us that crust and the crunch that we want. This dish is easy, folks. I'm telling you. And the flavor on it, if you seasoned it right, phenomenal. So after I've covered it, I set it to the side so that those breadcrumbs could set to the cutlet. Coat it nice and evenly, folks. Or to your liking. Remember, this is your dish. Do it your way. Olive oil is already in the pan, nice and hot. I lay my cutlets down just to get toasty. I'm not going to fully cook these cutlets, but I do want them to look nice and brown on each side before I remove them from the pan. Check your heat on your cast iron. As you can see in the middle here, got a little hotter than the outer edges. So I take off my cutlets. You can drain your excess grease if there is any or too much for you. Remember, this is a dish you're going to make to your liking, so you can do this process and in this part as you want to. Sauce first or cheese first? I chose cheese. I'm going to double up on it, so you want to see me do cheese, sauce, and more cheese. Some people lay a layer of sauce at the bottom of their pan before they lay their cutlets out. You can do that. Or for those that don't like a lot of sauce, or may suffer from acid reflux due to excess sauce, you might want to do it this way and layer each individual cutlet with its own portion of sauce. Now, as I said, I'm a cheese lover, so I dump a little bit more on each piece. That's how I like it. After I cheese my cutlets down, it's on to my garlic bread. This is just butter, garlic powder, and parsley. Get your brush and layer your bread. Pop that in the oven for about 5 minutes. And you're good to go. After your Parmesan has been in the oven for about maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes, you top it with a little parsley. Garlic bread ready to go. Okay. And as I said, I'm a cheese lover. I top it with a little extra Parmesan. Can't go wrong, I'm telling you. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video until the very end and rocking with Handsome Jack's Kitchen. I am Chef Aiden, and as always, love yourself and others. Peace.